Here is the Toyota Highlander. Let's get started. This child door lock feature is only on the rear door, not the front door. So let's get started with the rear left door. Open the door and right over there is a switch. All you have to do is just push the switch down to activate the feature. Now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside. However, when I get on the inside and close the door, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. No matter what I do, I cannot open the door. So how am I going to get out? I'm just going to slide on to the other side, open that door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So let's go ahead, open this door, open the left side door from outside, and now let's just push the switch back up to deactivate the feature. And I can open it from outside as normal. And on the inside, when it's in the lock position, I cannot open. Unlock, I can open, and that's good. Let's repeat the process for the right side door. Open the door, same switch, same process. Just push the switch down to activate the feature. I can still open it from outside. And on the inside now that I close the door, no matter what I do, I cannot open it. So how am I going to get out? You already know it. I'm going to open that door and get out from the other side. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for both the doors. You don't want the child to just slide onto the other side, get out and cause any issues. Let's just open the right side door from outside, push the switch back up to deactivate the feature. I can open it from outside as normal. And on the inside, when it's in the lock position, I cannot open. Unlock, I can open, and that is very good. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.